What is going on? Alright, so today I got the Alpinestars R10 helmet in gloss black, and I'm going to be comparing it to my Shoei RF-1400. So I don't usually make videos, but I had to make it for this one here. So I'm pretty excited. I bought this with my own money. It's not sponsored, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. So this is my old helmet. It's not old at all, but it's a little heavy. Let me remove my gloves. Alright, so here it is. I had this for about less than a year. Shoei RF-1400. AliExpress, little spoiler. And it's been fun, but I want to try something else. So let's compare it. Open up this guy here. So pretty exciting. Alright. Cardboard here. Puts this to the side. Alright, so I think this one here is a tinted visor. I'll double check. Oh yeah, it's the tinted visor. Yeah. This is nice. It's not as dark as I thought it would be, but you know what? It should do the trick. Okay, we'll keep it to the side. I was just hoping it was a little darker, but it's all good. If it's not too dark, then I can use it during nighttime. Put this into the side. Alright. Oh. So here, inside this, I think they explained it to me in the store. This one here is basically like a bug deflector, I guess. You would put it on your helmet. Miso. Yeah, you would just put that on your helmet, and after a track day or long ride, you just remove that and just protects your visor. And then we also got a pin lock that comes with it. So I'm gonna put that back. Alright. So you do get one pin lock only. Wish they had two, so one for the clear visor that I know it comes with. So here is the helmet. I'm just gonna check what else is in the box. I guess this is just the owner's manual, salt, and this is a chin curtain mount just to deflect wind. Miso! Psst. Damn it, man. Look at that, she ripped it. My goodness, this cat needs to chill. I'm gonna put this right here. Chill out, Miso. Chill. God damn it. Alright, let me put this to the side. Oh no, actually, we gotta open that up. I got distracted there by my cat. Okay, let's move the box. Put it here. Chin curtain mount, can't forget that. Ooh, I'm excited. Here we go. What I like about this is the cover itself is a perfect fit for the helmet itself. That's nice. Okay. Let's see, I don't wanna be extra careful here because you know how it is when you're getting something new all the time. Oh my goodness, this cat. Let me remove my Miso. Okay, that's your new home, okay? You can have it. Alright. Back to the video. Here we go. Let's open it up. Ooh, this is tricky. Fits quite tight in here. Here we go. We're almost there. This has some nice padding inside. Very soft and squishy. Look at that, that's good quality by itself. That thing itself. Oh wow, not a wrap. Alright, let's see. Whoa. That already looks pretty nice. Wow. I'll put this aside. Wow, look at that. Holy moly. So you got like matte carbon here and then carbon all around. Wow. That is nice. Let's open this up. So you just push this one up. There we go. And then push. Pull up. Fresh. Wow. Look at that aerodynamics in that little winglet there and spoiler. Let's take a look here from the bottom. Wow. You just compare it side by side. Yeah. They're both good helmets, you know. And then let's check out the inside here. A lot of paddings there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at that. Lots of paddings. Really comfortable. I actually tried this on. Super comfortable. And I know that there, something inside there is adjustable to how you want it. I'm gonna have to rip that tag out or tuck it in. There we go. That looks so premium. Well, you can put your camel pack here. Hydration. Oh. Really? She will not leave me alone. She loves unboxing videos. It's her favorite. Maybe so? It's okay. Cool. Let's see the weight difference here compared to my RF-1400. You know what? Like, yeah. I do feel like this is heavier. Way heavier. But, you know, not much, but I would say it is much heavier. Let's see this. Okay, and then this. Yeah. Beautiful. We're back at it again, Miso. Anyways, I really like it. Comment on what you guys think. Alright. Peace.